Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a series of 3 cool AI features within DemoCreator. If you are new to my channel, I am doing a series of videos on how you can use DemoCreator to enhance, record, and edit your videos for content creation, for videos, and for course creation and online classes. The cool thing about DemoCreator is that it has a lot of the same features that you might see in other software, but one of the beauties is that this is more advanced and it has a lot of editing that is different style in different ways than others. It's more focused at the time if you are a Mac user, it's more of a timeline editing versus a text style editing. However, there's a lot of similarities and they do plan to introduce text-based editing if you are a Mac user. But for today, I'm going to just share with you the AI features within background voice, background images, and also virtual avatars. And so if you are new to the world of online teaching, or if you're just getting started, join us, continue and come back every week. I plan to do more videos to share with you different ways and tools out there that can help you as you're getting started in your online teaching journey, or whether you're just exploring, or if you are using another tool right now but you're looking for something else. I hope you will come back and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and now let's go into the demo. Up DemoCreator to give you a preview of the 3 AI features that is really helpful when you're recording videos, editing videos, and creating content. One of the things I forgot to mention is you must always remember to log in. So as you can, you may not be able to see, I'm going to move my little cursor, but as you can see up here, the little bubble here, that's like my login, login menu. But if you do not log in, what happens is that it becomes a red button. So right now it's green, which means I have logged in. And the distinction is that when you're logged in, they recognize that you are an account user and you have all the access to the features. But even if you are not a paid member, you get to record up to 10 minutes for free. So that's why I wanted to explain why it says trial here, is because I forgot to log in earlier when I was recording. So that's just a little tidbit that might be helpful to all of you. Now I want to go into the AI features, the 3 AI features, specifically on the audio side. I'll record another video on the AI features for video, but for this video, I'm just covering audio because there's just so much to cover and I try not to make these videos too long. So first of all, this is really helpful because in a day where we're recording and we don't always have the best, environment to record sometimes, it may be noisy, there may be dogs barking, babies crying, construction. It's helpful to take advantage of AI to clean up any kind of background noise. That's where this AI denoise comes in. That basically means they're changing and cleaning up the background noise. So it's like de-noise, so they're kind of cleaning it up so that there's not too much background noise. So that's feature 1. The second feature is this AI voice cleaner, and you may notice that it really enhances your voice, whether you're using a professional microphone or not. Sometimes we can always practice public speaking, especially when we do these kinds of content creation and videos. And voice cleaner just elevates and professionalizes your voice so that it sounds like you are using a high quality studio microphone. I may be using a Rode mic, but sometimes I think myself I could use some practice speaking so that it sounds a little bit more polished. But that's where the AI voice cleaner kind of touches up the tone and just balances things out. You can always adjust it yourself up here. Let me show you where it is. Hold on. Up here in the audio section. I'll have to go back to this. Remove this, but okay, in the audio up here, let me erase that up here, but let's go back to the other feature, which is the AI voice changer. So imagine that I am doing this video, but I don't want to show my face, but I want to use a different audio because I'm not comfortable with my voice. I don't want people to know who I am. Maybe I have a 9 to 5 job and I don't want people knowing that I'm creating content on the side. That's where the voice changer can be really helpful to use an AI voice in different projects. And so those are the 3 key features that I'm going to talk about today. So what I've done already is I've brought in this video that I recorded for this demo. And what I did was I brought this in here, and just to show you, I tested out some features. Like you saw, the green screen one was applied earlier, but I don't really like the green screen feature. I think it looks kind of awkward. It's not really, I don't know how you say it. It's just not my style. The green screen is just, it doesn't really work on my video. So let me just move this over some more because it's distracting. So what I did now, you saw the green screen has been removed per here. And then the next thing I want to do is show you each of the different AI audio features so that you can kind of see what it does to my existing video. So let's just use the first one, which is denoise. And so in this denoise, I need to clean this up for you all so that it's, easier to adjust and read. Clean this up and kind of clean this up a little bit. It's a little, okay. So in this AI denoise, you can adjust different levels. And so sometimes you're probably wondering, like, how do I know what level do I want to adjust? Sometimes the best way is to just kind of train yourself to listen and to listen to the changes. So right now it's at 50. We can adjust it and reduce it a little bit more to see how it sounds. Let's try it out. Today, and so you can see that was like not good. So let's just bring it back to 50, which is the regular level. Just to show you the AI features within. So now you can see it doesn't really help my project, and then we can play it with a little bit more background voice. So the denoise in this video doesn't really help because there's not too much background noise, but if I was recording a video and I had a dog barking, then I could take advantage of the denoise to adjust it. But maybe I just lowered it a lot more just to test it out and see. Background images and so you can see that after experimenting with different levels, the denoise doesn't really serve my video well because I don't have a lot of background noise, and it just makes it sound very laggy and very fuzzy, which we don't really need. So I can then look at the noise volume and other features, but I wouldn't worry about it unless you have a ton of experience with audio engineering. It can be kind of complicated and complex. So unless you have like a really loud dog barking or construction or lawnmower, then I think that's where the AI denoise is really helpful. So now I'm going to turn this denoise off. And let's just look at the next one, which is the voice cleaner. So this is just kind of enhancing my existing voice, enhancing the project to make myself sound a little bit more professional. And then we can see how this sounds. So virtual avatars. And so if you are new, so even I'm already using a Rode microphone, so even with this voice cleaner, it doesn't always make a big difference. So I wouldn't necessarily also use this, but you can definitely take advantage and give this a try. Remember, anytime you try it and you replay it and you don't like it, you can always toggle this off and then know that that's not the right direction for your project. So I would only recommend them if you had a lot of background noise, as an example. Construction, lawn mowing, music playing, that kind of unplanned, but still you want to continue with the project that you had already started. And then AI voice changer is one of those really kind of challenging gray areas, but like I said, this can be helpful if you are content creating a presentation and you are using an avatar, or you're not having yourself on camera, but you want to use a AI voice. That's where the voice changer can be used. Now, I think it's really depends on you. It depends on your project. For me, we can try this out and see how it sounds, but I can tell you that If you already can make a script and record yourself, I wouldn't worry about using the AI voice changer. This is really for those who don't want to have their voice recognizable. This is maybe because content is being created and edited and tweaked. People can take your voice from a video and they can tweak it and copy it and repurpose it into other videos on the internet. So it can be a little scary, and that's maybe why you would like to use another voice, so that you are preserving and being very careful about what you put out there and making sure that your voice isn't used or your image isn't used in ways that are confusing and or in content that is not made by you. So if you use this, it does use AI credits, and I've already used some AI credits, but we can just look at this again. They have different types of personalities for AI voice, so you can look for educational or just general social media. Children's voice, like maybe you're creating children's content, but you don't want your children actually recording the content, then you can take advantage of these children's stock voices. News broadcasting and narrative as well. Now, each of these you can play it just to get a sample. Let's just check out Matilda.
Wonder, creativity, simplify.
So maybe Matilda isn't great, but that's just a sample. We can check out news broadcasting Michelle.
Wondershare, creativity, Wondershare.
And then we can look at social media.
Wondershare, creativity.
Then educational voices.
Wondershare, creativity, simplify.
So there's a little bit of a background noise because there's other stuff that is on my computer, so it's kind of distracting it from sounding more crisp. But what you can do is it uses 7 AI credits. So each plan comes with a certain number of credits, and then as you use up those credits, you can buy more credits. But if you like the voice, you can pick one, and then you click on OK.
Wondershare.
It will tell you use 7 credits, and then it will get applied, and you'll start to see this here in your project. But for now, those are the 3 key AI features that are going to be helpful to you in enhancing the content that you create, allowing you to take advantage of AI stock voices, and then cleaning up your project if you have a lot of background noise and your microphone quality isn't the best. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, feel free to leave me a comment in the description below, and I'd love to help you. Please reach out. I'm here to serve and to teach and really help all people in the best way that I can. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon.